Hey guys, I hope y'all are doing good. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about why you shouldn't do architecture and why you should consider doing architecture. So both the points I'll be keeping, but this is very important for all the youngsters out there to know, why you should be doing architecture and why you shouldn't be doing architecture. So guys, in this video I'm gonna do exactly that. I'll be telling you why you shouldn't do architecture and why you should do architecture, and this video will be a really informative video for you all because guys, this information is coming directly from an architect. My name is Saransh Singh and I'm an architect by profession. I keep making such videos on regular basis, so go ahead and check out my other playlist also. But guys, try watching this video till the end. This video will be a really helpful video for you all, and without any delays guys, let's get started with the video. So guys, let's get started with point number one, why you shouldn't do architecture. So guys, point number one is, if you want a simple course, if you think architecture is a simple thing, I have said this thing in my previous videos also, and I will tell you this thing again, that architecture is not a very simple course. It is a very hectic course, and some days you might be working for 12 hours straight without any breaks, and some days you might be working for whole day, like 24 hours straight you might be working. So yeah, architecture is really difficult, and as the course proceeds, your difficulty level will also go up. Your projects will be more intense, your submissions will be more intense. You might be doing 3-4 submissions a day and even 10 submissions a week. So yeah guys, it's a really difficult course, and if you are not into it, I don't think so architecture is meant for you. Now point number two, if you want a good salary package right after you pass out from architecture college, I don't think so that's gonna happen, because guys, this is my experience and this is overall experience of all the architects out there who are working right now in the field and who are fresh, just a year ago they have passed out. Just go and ask them if you want. There is no guarantee of getting a good package after architecture. And guys, if you expect that after passing out from architecture you will get 40 to 50,000 rupees package, that's not gonna happen. I'm really sorry to say this, but this is not the reality, and I'm here to talk about the reality of this field and this whole industry. And point number three, why you shouldn't consider architecture is, if you want a laid back life, if you want a simple job where you're just going to office time to time and coming back on time, so I don't think so that's gonna happen in architecture, because guys, architecture is a very intense field where you might be working extra hours every day. You might be working even on Sundays, because guys, if your work is going on site, the work doesn't stop on Sundays. So you don't stop on Sunday. If you want a very laid back and chilled life where you have weekends off and where you are having a good sorted job where you are not doing extra time or something like that, I don't think so architecture is meant for you. But guys, don't get disheartened. I'm coming on to the next point, that is why you should consider architecture. So guys, I might get tired talking about why you should consider architecture, but I'm keeping just 3 points in front of you. So first point is, if you love designing, if you love creating something new, if you are very passionate about building structures, building interior designings and building different amazing things, I think so architecture is for you. Because architecture is a field which gives you a liberty to design, a liberty to create. It opens your mind to different possibilities in design. It's not only limited to just buildings. Many of the architects out there are doing set designing. Many of the architects are doing product designing. Many of the architects are doing interior designing. So guys, architecture is a vast field. It opens a whole new world of design to you, and you can choose anything you like. So yeah guys, for me, I would say if you want something like this, architecture is for you. And guys, now coming to point number two, if you want to create your own business where you want to have your own liberty, you want to design something new, you want to create something new, architecture is for you. See, architecture is not basically meant for doing a job 9 to 5 under someone in a company. If you are into design and if you want to create something of your own, you have to open a firm sometime in the future. You might have to struggle for at least 3-4 years, 5 years or 10 years also. You will learn. You are struggling but you are learning a lot, and then you open your own firm, and that's how you gain experience, and that's how you get the liberty to design your own thing. You develop contacts, you develop many things. Your personality changes overall. How you perceive the world changes actually after doing architecture. So yeah guys, architecture, I don't think so I can think about any other field other than architecture, for me at least. So yeah, if you are doing architecture, fall in love with it. Yeah, that's the only thing how I can explain this field. Be patient, be hardworking, and guys, I'm damn sure architecture will treat you really well. So guys, this was a small comparison why you should do architecture and why you shouldn't do. I am not here to demotivate anyone, but you have to consider all the points that I have said, because this is what reality is, guys. I'm not here to spread false rumors about architecture. I'm not here to spread false hopes to you all. I'm just here speaking the truth about architecture. And guys, if this video was in any sense helpful for you all, go ahead, hit a like. And guys, if you are on my channel for the first time, go ahead and check out my other playlist also. And if you like this video, go ahead, hit a like and subscribe to my channel. And guys, take care of yourself. I'll see you in my next video very soon. Bye bye.